Oh, this might look different to my normal followers, normal subscribers, as it is different. On holiday at this moment in time, I'm away from my normal premises and on a retreat. This is somewhere in Lincolnshire, and sometimes you need that break, you need that time to recoup, re-energize, not do the normal day-to-day stuff. And sometimes you need an alternative to what's the norm. And this is what this video is about today. So we're going to be talking about the Puma Club 2 era, which is an alternative to the Sambas or the Handball. And the reason why is simple. Sometimes you just don't want to follow the trend, or sometimes you want to look at something that's slightly different from the norm. And we know that the Sambas, the Adidas Sambas, have been trending for the past year or so, and it's quite common. I thought I will go outside, because it's such a nice day, and as you can see, it's quite a good scenery, something different. Take advantage, why not? So let's talk about the Puma Club 2 era. These are 80s classic derived shoe, as I said, similar to the Sambas, the same type of background. This was designed for the football era, for that 80s football era, where people were mashing the terraces, not mashing up the terraces, but mashing the terraces, and also wanted to look good wearing some sneakers. So this was that classic iconic silhouette, which was similar, so derived from the football. And there's some key features on there. Now, what is mistaken is Puma is a lesser brand than Adidas, which is not true. They're both from the same time, same type of people, and how, if you know the story between Puma and Adidas, you know that there's connections. Why go with the Pumas rather than the Adidas Sambas? One, because Adidas Sambas, there's a lot of people who are wearing them. That is trendy, and there's no doubt you can do a lot with those sneakers. But these Pumas are alternative, and guess what? It is cheaper. Also, it's similar to the Handball, and I'm going to give you 3 reasons why this sneaker is something that you should look at, and is an amazing alternative to the Adidas Sambas or the Handball Spezial. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why these Pumas are a good alternative. I'm going to start with the first one. The first one is cost. So these cost £60, which is a reasonable price. £60, which is £5 less than the Handball Spezial, the Adidas version, and about £15 cheaper than the Adidas Sambas. So already you're on a good footing with good price. And don't get it twisted, it's not skimped on the quality. The second thing about these sneakers, which is really good, is the materials. Now, the upper consists of leather suede, which looks and feels really good. You're thinking £60, how can they afford leather? How can they afford good quality suede for £60? Well, to be honest, they can't. It doesn't make sense to get proper leather, to get proper suede. So what they've done is you have a 50-50, almost 50-50 split with the leather. So you've got cow's leather, this is what they say, and what's the camera doing? And then they also have synthetics. So that consists of the upper, but they give you that tumble effect. So it gives you that, almost like this is good quality leather, which they're trying to put across. Then you got suede, which is a reasonable suede. Again, this is possibly textile rather than full suede. The lining inside of this sneaker is textile, so that's straight up textile, which is fine. It does look good, don't look too bad. Then you have the tongue, and you got the little tongue detail, which is fully synthetic, but you can see a little design, and the design is in keeping with the football theme. You know, when you got football trainers, you have certain amount of grip on the upper, you know, when you're doing them skills, doing that Ronaldo type-esque maneuvers. Got a quick story. I was playing football with my nephew, my big old self. When I say big old self, nephew kind of done me in, done a little shimmy, moved to the left, then went to the right. My foot got stuck, and now I'm injured. So I'm having a madness around here. But anyway, the last thing about these sneakers, which is the way it looks. Now the design. Design is in keeping with what's on trend at the moment. And we're talking about the low profile or the low top sneakers, which is currently on trend at the moment. The huge outsoles or the huge midsoles, it's not what in. They want a sleek design. Adidas have been doing that, and they've been taking the market. You know, this is what everyone wants at this moment in time. So comfort levels on these are surprisingly good. So it has soft foam inner sole, which basically is a thicker foam that is inside the sneaker, and that does make a difference. Combination of the foam and the rubber actually makes this quite comfortable. So I'll definitely say this is a comfortable shoe, and putting it on feet, you can feel that foam cushioning. Does it fit true to size? It does if you like a snug fit, okay? Around the toe area, it is quite snug. I think it's okay. But if you don't like that snug fit, then half a size up, and then you have all the space that you need. Whatever you can wear with the Adidas Sambas, you can wear with these. Easy, you know. The silhouette is very similar. Now, the only difference, which I prefer the Pumas compared to the Adidas, either the Handball or the Sambas, is the fact that there is it's less flat. Let's put it. The Sambas are quite flat. It's a flat silhouette, whereas these have a bit more of an angle. So if you look at the side of that, there's a bit more of an angle from the toe box to the top part of the ankle, which I prefer. That's me personally. You might have different. Also, the colors are not that bad on these. So you got these ones, which are the brown and this tanny, light tanny or camel type color on the foam stripe, and then you have three other colors, which are the black, white and gum outsole, and then you also have the green. It's or emerald type green, and I like that a lot. I think that color is really nice. If I was to get another one of these, I'll probably get that color. And then you got this baby blue looking thing, or very light blue with the gum sole, which is really nice. As I said, you can style it in any way. I'm going to give you an understanding of how I'll style it. Let's give you 3 little outfits that, you know, if you like, if you don't, let me know in the comments below what you think.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these. They getting, they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and it's man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fitting in, I'ma stand out. I done seen these crash out. They some baby boys, I'm the man now. They was questioning, make them fans now. I'm the best in my league and that's hands down. Understand now, got plans now, got.
If you want to see another video with an alternative to the Adidas Samba, then please check this video out.
It's my time, check. I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like, damn it, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like.